Welcome to Diana Kitchen. We are going to pray together. Let's begin. Lord, I come to you this morning, seeking your presence and your grace. I thank you for another day, another chance to grow, and another opportunity to serve you. I ask for your guidance and protection, for you are my strength and my shield. Help me to stay focused on what matters most, to be kind and compassionate, and to spread your love to all those I encounter. My Father, thank you for the blessings of a new day's challenge and chance to chase you. Thank you for reminding us life is not always easy, but that we don't have to carry the hard into each new day. Forgive us for dwelling on the past and for holding onto grudges. Bless our hearts to be held back by nothing as we seek you each day. Amen. Remember, the power of prayer lies in our faith and trust in God. Let's continue to uplift one another in prayer and spread love and positivity. If you enjoyed this prayer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content and recipe on Diana Kitchen. Keep the faith and stay blessed.